Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Venus, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys our it's not share, it's about more tips going to um, Puerto Galera. It's been like I think a year now that I never been there, and in this video, I'm just going to share with you guys, and I will also show you the videos and old videos that I captured in Puerto Galera. It's been like I think 9 months now, or it's like 10 months that I never been there because of this COVID-19 and this virus, this pandemic. Um, Most of tourists and even locals, we actually don't know if we can actually visit now the Puerto Galera. But recently, like December 6th, Puerto Galera is open already for the tourists. And for now, like if I'm going to go back on my experiences and my tours, it's been like it's very actually easy to go there. If you want to, for this only like maybe 5 steps that you can just that you need if you want to go to Puerto Galera. So let's go for the first one. Is the bus. So first, you need to go to PITX. PITX, they have a point-to-point bus. So point to point means like it's actually direct going to the port. So you need to look for the Batangas Pier or Batangas Port in PITX. You can just ask for the security guards and also like people who works in the in the ground, and it will actually help you to find the booth to get your tickets. But actually, before there's no pandemic, you can actually there's actually lots of bus stations here in Manila. There's also in Buendia, the Jamliner and Jackliner, and then the other one is here in Cubao, the Araneta Busport. So, but for now, because it's pandemic, so you can just go to PITX, and there's actually the point-to-point bus station there. And then next is after you already arrive there, you need to get a ticket for Ocean Jet. Ocean Jet is air conditioned and air conditioned ferry boat going to the island, the Mindoro, the Puerto, Portugal. You can see the view, like for example, the sunrise or the sunset. And even though like in an ordinary time, like the view is actually beautiful, like the ocean is beautiful. And but if it's like raining, you can just sit in the air conditioned. But it's actually safe. It depends on you, like if you want to choose the air conditioned or just an ordinary fare. So for air conditioned, it's actually 250, and then for this ordinary, it's like I think 225 or 200. So it's only the price range. It's just very like it's not that too high, not too but of course, just for me, what I can advise to you guys is if someone like asks you like, hey, come here, blah blah blah. Like for example, there's a guy asks you to bring your bag or luggages there or in the port. Just say no. Just wave your hand. Just wave your hand. Say no, we're good. You can just and then look, because it's actually if you arrive there in the Batangas port, the security guard will show you the way. So you don't need to like you don't need people around you like to bring your bag or luggages. So just be safe. I mean, it's safe, but it's like of course they're actually making the price of the ticket. So just go direct to the booth of like of the ferry boat. So next is if you already had a ticket, just wait in the. I think that for what I experienced is the earliest ferry boat going to the island, to the Mole port, is 6 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. So it only takes like 1 hour or 45 minutes going to the other island. So you will arrive there if you're there for 5:30, and then you will go and you will or 6 you will live in the port, in the Batangas port, and then you will arrive in the Mole port for like I think 1 hour. Just okay, estimate is 1 hour, but sometimes they have a ocean jet. Ocean jet is a very fast craft, so I think the ocean jet is actually 35 to 45 minutes. So it depends on you, like what ferry boat you're gonna ride, because there's different. I think there's lots of ferry boat like fast craft going to other islands. So Just for me, what I can advise is just choose the ocean jet and the Montenegro bus. I mean, it's not bus; it's a ferry boat. So next, if you already arrive in the Mule port, they need to pay for 150 or 100 environmental fee. I think it's 100, just the 100 peso environmental fee. Actually, before it's only 20, and then the 50, and then they make it higher the price, higher the entrance environmental fee for 100 pesos. So that's it. If you arrive in the Mule, there's actually security there that asking for, like, payments for the fees, for the environmental fee, and then after that, there's when you go outside the gate, the left side, because there's actually tourists and also for the people who live there. So if you actually living in Puerto Galera or in Mindoro, in that area, you don't need to pay for that environmental fee. It's all free for the people living there. And then when you arrive there, there's actually a tricycle waiting for you guys going to the White Beach. So just if they will ask you like, oh, where are you going? What resort? What where did you gonna stay? Where are you gonna stay in that island? So for me, like, because you're going to White Beach, just tell them that White Beach. Just go to White Beach, the White Beach, and they already know that. And if you arrive in the White Beach, there's no payment already that they actually, of course you need to pay for the tricycle, but I mean in the main beach there's no payment there. So in the main White Beach, or in the beach, in the, I think it's left, oh yeah, it's just in the, if you go straight, lots of there's also like rooms and also restaurants in the area that you can choose. There's a Filipino food, Mexican, there's pizzas, burgers, and American foods, and there are actually lots of liquor stores that you can have hangouts and chill. And they also have this what is it called, like water sports, if you wanna activities as well in that beach. So you're gonna actually enjoy the Puerto Galera. Puerto Galera. But I think now when now, like, you need to, if you want to go to be in that island, you need to have a rapid test or swab test that you can show to of course, if you, I think they need it already in the port, because they need to show that to them. And then also when you arrive in the island, there's actually security guards there that you need to show your medical certification or your email that you're negative with COVID-19. So before, it's very easy to go there, and now it's still same, but you just need to bring your medical certification that you're negative of COVID-19. So yeah, I hope that I helped you a little bit. And for me, going to Puerto Galera is very easy because it's easy access for the bus, for the bus, and also for the ferries, and also for the tricycle. It just depends on you if your rooms, or like if you're the one that or the hotels that you check in is like near to the White Beach. But for me, if you really wanted to go direct to the White Beach, just do what I advice in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.